Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig as a nurse, along with George Pig and Mommy Pig, who are both feeling a little sick. Let's get started. First, let's draw Mommy Pig. Start with her cute little nose. Next, draw her two ears like this. Great job! Now, add her pretty eyes. Let's draw her round cheeks and her open mouth. Oh, she has a thermometer in her mouth. It looks like she has a fever. Now draw her body. Mommy Pig is lying in bed under a cozy blanket to stay warm. Lying next to her is George Pig. Start with his nose, then draw his tiny eyes like this. AWW. He looks so tired. Poor George. Right here, let's draw a tissue box beside Mommy Pig. Maybe she has a little cold. Now it's time to draw Peppa Pig. Start with her snout, and then draw a nurse's hat on her head like this. Isn't she adorable? Add her eyes and face. Peppa is wearing a mask to help take care of her family. What a caring big sister. Next, draw her body in a nurse's outfit. Finally, draw her hands. She's holding a thermometer to check on George Pig. So helpful. Now I'll use a black marker to outline the whole drawing and make it pop. Time to color. Let's do it together. First, I'll use pink for Mommy Pig's nose. Oh no, it looks a little swollen from her cold. Now, let's color her mouth and the thermometer like this. For her dress, I'll use a dark pink color. Now, let's color George Pig. I'll use pink for his nose too. He's not feeling well either. Then, I'll use light pink for his skin and sky blue for his pajamas. So cute! For Peppa Pig, I'll use light pink for her skin. Her nurse's outfit will be dark blue and green. She looks so professional. And finally, let's color the blanket keeping Mommy Pig warm. I'll use a bright yellow. All done. Amazing job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.